Christy Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow who lived in a forest close to a town. The crow was traveling for a long time, so he was very thirsty. He looked around for water to drink, but was unable to find any water source. The crow started feeling weak because there was no water. He started searching for water. He flew all around the jungle and in the nearby town. After traveling around the town, the crow saw a house and thought there must be water in the house. After reaching the house, he saw a pot full of water. He became very happy. He became very happy. But now the problem was that the water level in the pot was very low, and the crow was unable to drink water from the pot. The crow thought a lot, and an idea came across his mind. He thought, if I throw some pebbles in the pot, then the water present in the pot will go up, and I will be able to drink water easily. The crow then started searching for a few pebbles. The crow saw some pebbles laying on the ground nearby. He flew towards the pebbles and put one in his beak. He returned to the pot and dropped it in the pot. Gradually, by dropping one pebble at a time, the level of the water rose a little, but his beak was still not capable of drinking the water. The crow repeated the process of flying to the pebbles, picking one of them, then flying back to the pot and dropping them one by one. Then he tried to drink water, but was still unable to do so. Now he started feeling even more weak and thirsty, but he never stopped. After doing the same process again and again for almost 1 hour, he finally succeeded in his mission. The level of the water across the level of the water had finally risen to the rim of the pot, which was easily accessible for the crow. The crow was very much happy, and he rapidly dipped his beak in the pot of water and started drinking from it. He drank the water until he was incapable of drinking more. Then the kind-hearted crow also invited other thirsty birds to drink water with him. Lots of birds came to drink the water from the pot. They all thanks the kind-hearted crow and flee away. So we can understand from the crow story that by doing some brain work along with a little hard work, we can able to achieve anything we want to or aim for. The moral of the story is where there is a will, there is a way. But by reading this story, the moral we learn is that by thinking and working hard, we may find the solution to any difficult problem. If we have willingness and determination, anything can be achieved. The crow was used his patience and intelligence to put stones into the pitcher so water could get out. He did not lose hope, and with present tense drank water and he saved his life. We must teach children that in any adverse situations, the most important things is to keep patience, and then find a solution with the available sources. So this is all about the story of a three-stick crow.